Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Mailchimp automations UI and segment audiences, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Mailchimp automations, log in to your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Automations tab on the left-hand menu. Click on the Create button to start a new automation. Customize the trigger settings to suit your campaign goals. Next, you will design your email content. Choose a pre-built template or create your own using the drag-and-drop editor. Add your text, images, and links, ensuring your message is clear and engaging. Once your email is designed, proceed to set up the timing for your automation. You can decide how soon after the trigger your email will be sent. After that, review your automation settings to ensure everything is correct. Next, you'll want to segment your audience for targeted messaging. Go to the Audience tab and choose Segments. Click on Create Segment to start building a new audience segment. Preview your segment to ensure it includes the right audience. Save your segment once you're satisfied with your selections. Now, head back to your automation and apply the segment to your workflow. This allows your emails to only go to the selected audience, improving engagement. Once everything is set, turn on your automation to start sending. Monitor the performance through Mailchimp's analytics to see how your automations and segments are performing. Make adjustments as necessary to optimize results. That's it. You're now equipped to set up Mailchimp automations and segment your audience effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.